Hey lovelies, it's Hungwana Boss Collective, and today we're going to be talking about being your own resource, part 14. So this is the guide to ways to start your own YouTube business with Shopify and Printify. So here's the beautiful page that I made. Let's get started. So first things first, guiding to create a brand. So this is a guide to create your own brand. Number one, research your target audience and competitors. Number two, pick your focus and logo. Number three, choose your business name. Number four, write your slogan. Number five, choose the look of your brand using coolers and font. Number six, Gary enough. Design your mood board. Number seven, apply your branding on your website. How to create a website. Well, use a free website builder or build one from scratch using self-hosting websites such as Bluehost and WordPress.ca, not the .com one. Have an About Me page and make the UI easy to navigate. You can find themes on Creative Market, and there's also other places you can find themes directly on WordPress as well. The next one is how to use Printful. So you upload your design or photo on their 349 products. So you can pick through 349 different products on Printful. And on Printify, there's tons of different products to choose from. And you can customize it with your links to Shopify. And when someone buys it, they fulfill it for you and ship it for you. And the great thing is as well, is with Printify especially, and Shopify, you can directly link it on your YouTube channel to have it under your videos to sell. And that way it doesn't take a lot of work for you to be like, well, you can get the product here that I'm talking about, or I'm talking about this product today, or I'm launching a new product, check it out below, without having them to click a link. They actually just click on the photo of the product and then it takes them right to the product. So the next thing is, have you guys heard of PLR products or content? It means private label rights content, which is a white label content that you can license. It's licensed brandable content done for you, and you can get a non-exclusive license. So more than one person can use it. So like, for instance, if you wanted to sell a digital planner, but you didn't know how to make one, you could buy one on a PLR website and you could brand it as your own, and then you could sell it and be able to make small changes and sell it as your own because you are buying the commercial license for it. Certain times you'll have to buy the license over again if you sell a certain amount, but sometimes it's just a one-time purchase and then you can sell it however many times you want. And you'll be able to use Canva to make your pictures of your products look fancier, but they also usually come with photo products. But if too many of the same people have the same product, then you don't want to have the same product like photo, right? So you can make it your own using Canva. So yeah, basically I'm going to tell you simply. So basically, once you have a YouTube channel and you reach a certain amount of followers and a certain amount of subscribers and a certain amount of views, you'll be able to access a feature called Set Up My Own Store. And when you set up your own store, it can only be done with Shopify. And Shopify has Printify built into it. Like you can add it as an app within Shopify. And if you don't want to create your products and have to purchase a bunch of products and keep it in stock and all that stuff and worry about shipping, then basically what they do is they take your designs and they will create, like, you put it on the product that you want. They have tons of different products to choose from. And then they have those blank t-shirts or those blank bottles or those blank mugs or whatever it is that they have. And they even can sell stickers. You basically put it on there, and then when somebody purchases it, they take the shipping off the price and they take the cost of the actual product to make, and you get the difference. So you get whatever is left over. So for instance, if you were selling a t-shirt for $20 and it cost them $15 to make and $1 to ship, you would get $4. So it all depends on what you price it as. There's higher price margins for smaller items and things that aren't as costly as well. But, and those didn't come directly from there. That was just an analysis I was trying to give you for an example. You can also buy samples of these for cost, and you just pay the shipping, and then you're able to show it on camera so that people know that it's authentic and that it's real. And you can use it for merch, but you can also use it for other products as well, like stationery products and clothing lines, blankets. There's so many different things. Like you even have shower curtains on there. Basically you design it, or you buy a design from a creator on Fiverr, and then you put your own stuff there. So I'm going to be going quickly today because there's a fire inspection today. I hope it doesn't go off, but I'll see you guys in the next one, I guess.